Hello friends, last video we have talked about the importance of primary structure in protein. So in continuation of that, in this video we will be talking about what is the N terminal and what is the C terminal in peptide chain, that is in the primary structure. Okay, right. See, you know that in primary structure of protein you have amino acids getting arranged from A1 to AN. Okay, so as I said, this N determines the length of the amino acid in a peptide chain. So this is what is called as a peptide chain. Okay, and as per the last discussion, the length of the amino acid, there is the N value here, and the sequence of the amino acid, what determines the protein identity. Okay, right. Now let's take any amino acid, say A1 and A2. Okay, and this being a chemical, amino acids being chemical, should get bonded. Okay, and you call this bond as a which one? Peptide bond. So all these things we are pretty familiar. Okay, peptide bond. Hence this chain containing series of amino acids linked by peptide bond, this chain is what is called as a peptide chain. Hope these concepts are clear. Okay, now in this peptide chain you would see that your NCERT book saying that one end is called as an N terminal, other end is what is called as a C terminal. Okay, N terminal and C terminal. What is this N terminal? The N terminal is what is called as amino terminal. Okay, and what is this C terminal? This is what is called as a carboxy terminal. Okay, N terminal, carboxy terminal. So this video is how do we say that one end is N terminal? How do we say that the other end is going to be C terminal? Okay, so for us to understand this, what we wanted to know here is the structure of an amino acid. So I believe you all know the structure of amino acid. Say you have COOH, NH2. Hope my chemistry is right here. It should be NH3 plus if it is ionized form. Otherwise, it's going to be NH2. And you have a H group and you have an R group. Okay. So this structure is what is an amino acid, and you have 20 different amino acids where this R group will change between one amino acid to other amino acid. Okay, right. Likewise, let's take this to be A1. Okay, this R group could be H, and this amino acid will turn out to be a glycine. Okay, depending upon the R group, this fate of this amino acids will be decided. Okay, so this is A1. You do have one more amino acid, say COOH, NH2, okay, R and H. Again, based on this nature of this R, the fate of the amino acids in turn will be decided, right? So let's take this as A1, let's take this as an A2. And what is the bond formed between these two amino acids? It should be a peptide bond. Friends, the peptide bond here will be formed between this COOH group and NH2 group. Like it will be, a CONH bond, okay, where a water molecule will generally be released. Okay, I'm not that into the chemistry of it, but as a biologist, I'm just giving you the basic aspects of this reaction happening. Maybe your chemistry subject will give you a deeper insights of how exactly this bond is formed. Okay, right. So finally, what you get is the CONH bond. Likewise, you have an A3 here. Okay. So where this COOH will get bonded to the NH2 of the next amino acid, that is the A3. Likewise, this keeps on going till the last amino acid, that is the AN. Okay, right. Now, when you have this series of amino acids getting linked, okay, essentially the bond is happening between the amino terminal and carboxy terminal. So one end you see this amino group being a free, right? So in case you are going to add a prior amino acids, this NH2 is free to bond with the the previous amino acid. Or if you are going to add one more amino acid on the other end, okay, you have the COOH which can bond with the amino group of the next amino acid. So in short, among this NH2 COOH group, here the NH2 group is free, here the COOH group is free. So hence this, based on this free group, this is what is called as an amino terminal, or it is also called as N terminal, whereas this will be referred as a carboxy terminal, or it is called as a C terminal. I hope my discussion is clear here. So when you have n number of amino acids getting arranged in a particular sequence, always one end the amino acid will have an amino group free, on the other end the amino acid will have a carboxy group free. So hence you call that to be a carboxy terminal, and hence you call this as an N terminal or amino terminal, right? Hope this discussion is clear. Let's meet in another video with an interesting concept. Thanks for watching.